Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to share with you the cards that I made for the collab 10 on the 10th, which is hosted by Kim, who is Metal Scrappin' Chick here on YouTube. I haven't done this collab in a long time. I've missed it, and as I was recently going through boxes of things on my shelves, still trying to get organized, I came across this set of Memories and More cards from Stampin' Up! Called Wonders of the Season. Now, it didn't come in this box, but I used to belong to the Paper Pumpkin monthly card kit. And what I do with a lot of the empty boxes is I turn them inside out to get this beautiful craft color, and then whatever I store in them looks nice and uniform on my shelves. So inside this old Paper Pumpkin box, I found this card kit. Now, it came with some card bases. This is a red foil. I don't know if that's going to show up or not. And then it came with matching envelopes with the red foil design on the flap, maybe just on the flap. And then it came with lots of 4 by 6 inch cards, and I know I've used some of these cards in previous collabs for 10 on the 10th, but I had these left over. I have a little sticky note on it because I went through my binder of where I keep my sheet load of card templates, and I looked for a template that would work with this size card, and so this is for a future video. It came with some stickers. These are numbers, and these are some little words and holiday icons. These stickers right here I used on the cards that I'm going to share with you today, and then still have some left over for another time. It also came with some 3 by 4 inch cards, and again I went through my binder of sheet load of cards to find some designs that would match the size of these cards. So again, I'll use those on a future video. So let me show you what I made for this time. So I took one of the card bases and I trimmed this. I used the trimmer and I trimmed this side to 4 by 6. And then I cut my own card bases from Cherry Cobbler and from Spruce cardstock. So here's one of the Memories and More cards from the kit, and I put it on a spruce cardstock. I just added some of these Twirl Tidings glittery enamel dots. I have a ton of these in my stash. And then on the inside, where I trimmed down this part of the card base, I put it on the inside as a place to write your message and sign your name. And then one of the stickers I put on the inside. So I have 6 cards like that, and they're all basically the same except for the little sticker on the inside. This one says "All is Bright," and then the sticker on this one, I'm all thumbs today, is a red label saying "Sending you Christmas wishes." So I have those 6 cards, and then with the green colored Memories and More card, I put it on Cherry Cobbler card base that I cut myself. I embellished with these red rhinestone basic jewels from Stampin' Up! This little flourish in each of the corners had a little curly Q at the end of the flourish, and so I just put the rhinestone inside the curly Q. And then on the inside, some of the stickers were these holly leaves with berries. And then here is the card base that came with the kit that I trimmed down as a place to stamp an additional sentiment and to write a message. So these are all the same except for one of the holly leaves is just a little bit smaller in size. So I used up all of those holly leaf stickers. But anyway, these are my cards for 10 on the 10th. I actually made 12 because there were 6 of each kind. I hope to use the remainder parts of the kit in future 10 on the 10th videos, but this is what I have to offer for this month. I will leave a link down below to the participants that I know are doing this collab. I'll hope to get a list from Kim, and I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.